If you want to sculpt and tone your body at home, I got the right tool for you. Hi, everyone. This is Darcy. Today, I'm going to talk about HigherDose Microcurrent Body Sculptor, which is a microcurrent device that combines LED lights and microcurrent to sculpt your body and help with lymphatic drainage. I'm super excited to try this out because I'm 48 years old. I'm going through perimenopause right now. I'm having a lot of symptoms, up and down hormones. I gained a lot of weight and I don't have the will to exercise. So I'm trying to find things to really make my life easier. And I'm noticing a lot of puffiness under my arms, especially under my armpits, which actually indicates do need lymphatic drainage. And this tool is exciting for me to try it out because it helps lymphatic drainage and it helps tone and sculpt your body. Let's talk a little bit about the technology of this device because it is pretty tiny but super powerful. It uses a type of microcurrent called TENS, which uses milliamps. And regular microcurrent devices that you've seen in the market today, it uses microamps and is more of a gentle type of current. This current, you will feel it every 1 milliamps, you get 1,000 microamps. And this device has 4 levels and goes up to 48.8 milliamps, which is stronger than any body sculpting tools available in the market today. So it is tiny, light, but powerful. It doesn't hurt, but you do feel the current and you do feel some muscle contraction. It has 14 dual chips LEDs at 650 nanometers red and 850 nanometers near infrared and irradiance of 40 milliwatts per centimeter square. It comes with the sculpting activator gel and also comes with transdermal magnesium spray. You can use them together or separate. You can apply the gel and then spray with magnesium spray as the gel starts drying out to increase conductivity as well as helps with sore muscles. This is actually a really good type of spray after exercise to help with sore muscles. But when you combine them together, it helps the conductivity so the current penetrates the muscles even better. Also has this super cool charger. You just plug it in, put the logo facing down. When it stops blinking, it is done charging. Now let me show you how to use it. Apply the gel. To turn it on, press and hold the power button. To turn the microcurrent, press and hold this button here. And it's going to start on level 1. If you want to switch levels, you can press the button. You go to level 2, 3, and 4. Definitely start with level 1 because it is quite strong. For bigger body parts like the belly and the tushy, you can do 3 and 4. But for the underarms, you do level 1 or 2. But I'm starting on level 1 because this is strong. It is tiny but mighty. I definitely feel the muscle contraction. I feel the tingling. I'm going to continue using this only on my arms. And then I'm going to come back and show you guys the results in 30 days. For best results, you use about 5 times per week for the first 6 weeks. And then after that, you can use 2 to 3 times a week to keep your results. I also like that the gel completely absorbs, so it doesn't leave any tightness or any stickiness. So once you're done with your treatment, the gel completely absorbs. So I'm going to be using only on my arms. And as you can see here, this before photo, I have a lot of puffiness under my arms, which definitely needs some lymphatic drainage. I also have a lot of toning needed, not exercising. So let's see which kind of results I can get in 30 days. If you combine with exercise and healthy eating, probably get better results. But we're going to see what this can do for me at 48 on perimenopause. I'm also excited to use this for muscle aches or body injuries because lately I find even if I sleep the wrong way, I wake up in pain. So I'm excited to use this for pain. So I'll definitely come back and let you guys know how did it work out for me. I'm going to show my before and afters from my arms because it is totally doable. It is easy, light, and I can do it from home. And I'll be showing my results from my arm area. If you're interested in the HigherDose Microcurrent Body Sculptor, I do have a coupon code, and I'll leave that in the description box below with my affiliate links. And don't forget to come back to my channel so I can show you my results in 30 days. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. I hope you're healthy and safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.